cottage cheese fenugreek leaf rice ball or cottage cheese fenugreek leaf rice or cottage cheese fenugreek leaf pilaf or Paneer Methi Pilaf. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the Pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the cottage cheese recipes and one of the most different of the fenugreek leaf recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the one pot recipes. Today we are going to make cottage cheese fenugreek leaf rice bowl. We have taken a spoon of fennel seeds, 2 spoons of lemon juice, 1 red chili and ginger and garlic and caraway seeds and ground them together to make a paste. 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of fenugreek leaves, 15 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic and 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 200 grams of cottage cheese. Take half of the paste and apply on the cottage cheese. Put in salt to taste. And some turmeric powder. Thoroughly apply on the cottage cheese. And let it marinate in the mixture. Heat the pan, pour in 15 to 20 grams of clarified butter. Let it get heated. Put in the onion paste. Saute. Now put in the ginger, the garlic, salt, Now put in the rest of the chili fennel paste. Cover the sauteing. Put in the tomato pieces. Cover the sauteing. Between crush the tomatoes. Keep on sauteing. Put in the fenugreek leaves, salt, keep on sauteing. Now put in the marinated cottage cheese pieces. Start and mix thoroughly. Now put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Now mix in the rice with the rest of the mixture. Pour in 1.5 cups of water. Mix. with salt if needed. Mix thoroughly. Let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 12 minutes. Now the cottage cheese fenugreek leaf rice bowl is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final cottage cheese fenugreek leaf rice bowl or cottage cheese fenugreek leaf pilaf or Paneer Methi Pilaf. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cheese recipes and one of the most unique of the fenugreek leaf recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the bowl recipes and one of the most different of the cottage cheese recipes and one of the most delicious of the yellow rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.